Hi, Chris Hudick, Technical Director of Karnak. I'm here on a metal roof to show you some of the deficiencies that can allow water to enter a metal roof, like the one I have here below me. This vertical seam, I can fit my hand underneath. This is something that's going to need to be treated so water will not be allowed to enter. We'll do a 3-course repair with KarnaFlex and fabric. I'm going to take a wire brush, a rag wet with $7.99 Wash and Prep roof cleaner, scissors to cut my ReSat Mat, and a brush to apply the KarnaFlex. Wire brush metal. Wipe with rag, wet with $7.99 Wash and Prep. Apply KarnaFlex. Cut my fabric to size. Embed the fabric into the wet KarnaFlex. Apply KarnaFlex. This area has been sealed with KarnaFlex and ReSat Mat in a 3-course application. It's now watertight. Once this dries, I'm ready to apply the base coat over top of this.